Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak and Shine with Marwa. I'm happy to have you here today. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to talk about the weather in clear and natural English. This video is designed for beginners and intermediate learners who want to speak with more confidence. Sit comfortably and let's begin. Section 1. Basic weather vocabulary. When you talk about the weather, the most common way to start is with the word it's. Here are useful sentences. It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's windy. It's raining. It's snowing. It's stormy. It's clear outside. More detailed expressions. It's slightly raining. Sakti. It's heavily raining. It's partly cloudy. It's mostly sunny. Repeat these sentences to build your confidence and fluency. Section 2. Describing temperature. Weather is also about temperature. Here are simple sentences. It's hot today. It's cold this morning. It's warm outside. It's cool tonight. It's freezing today. It feels cold even though the sun is out. Exact temperature examples. It's around 15 degrees today. It's below 0 right now. The temperature is about 30 degrees. Use these sentences when describing the weather in your daily life. Section 3. Natural daily expressions. Here are phrases native speakers use. The sky looks dark. It might rain soon. It's a beautiful day today. The weather is perfect for a walk. The weather is terrible. I want to stay inside. The sun is coming out. The wind is getting stronger. It looks like a storm is coming. The clouds are moving fast. Longer examples. I woke up and saw that it was raining, so I took my umbrella. It's sunny now, but I think it will get cloudy later. The weather has been unusual this week. One day it's warm, the next day it's cold. These expressions help your English sound natural and fluent. Section 4. Asking about the weather. Here are common questions. What's the weather like today? How's the weather where you are? Is it hot outside? Is it raining right now? Do you think it will rain? Simple answers. It's pretty warm. It's not too bad. It's a bit cold. It's very sunny today. It looks like rain. Practice asking and answering these questions. Section 5. Weather and seasons. Let's talk about the 4 seasons. Spring. The weather is warm and sometimes rainy. Flowers start to grow. People enjoy spending time outside. Summer. It's hot and sunny. Days are longer. Many people travel or go swimming. Autumn. The weather becomes cool. Leaves change color. It's often windy. Winter. It's cold. Some places get snow. People stay indoors more. Examples. In summer, the days are very hot where I live. Winter is my favorite season because I like cold weather. Section 6. Short weather conversations. Mini dialogue. A. What's the weather like today? B. It's sunny, but it's also a little windy. A. Really? It was raining this morning. B. Yes, the weather changes quickly here. Another dialogue. A. Do you think it will rain today? B. The sky looks dark. Maybe later. A. I'll take my umbrella just in case. Repeat these conversations for practice. Section 7. Weather forecasts. Here are common phrases in weather forecasts. It will be sunny tomorrow. There will be light rain in the afternoon. Temperatures will rise this week. The weekend will be cold and windy. Expect heavy rain tonight. Examples for daily use. Tomorrow will be very hot. I think it will snow next week. The weather is going to improve soon. Section 8. Daily weather report practice. Here are complete weather descriptions. Today it's partly cloudy. The temperature is around 20 degrees. It feels cool and comfortable. There is a light breeze and the sky looks clear. Another example. This morning it was foggy, but now the sun is shining. The air feels warm and the weather is perfect for going outside. Use these longer descriptions to improve your speaking. Thank you for watching today's lesson on Speak and Shine with Marwa. I hope this video helped you understand how to talk about the weather in English more naturally. Practice these phrases every day. The more you use them, the more confident you will become. Take care and see you in the next class.